Stephen, out of interest, out of these controls which are being mentioned in this part of the proposal form, what would you say are the kind of like 5 top boxes that insurance professionals should be ticking if they, let's say brokers should be ticking if they want their clients to actually get a cyber insurance policy and show that they have a zero trust framework in place?
Great question.
Yeah. I'm thinking this one through because I want to be respectful of what's in place today. And those 12 controls that we mentioned at the end of our dialogue, please don't stop doing them. We think we want every client to take full advantage of them because we're a healthier place as an industry with them. What we're looking at is raise the bar. And once again, the malicious actors have already figured out how to circumvent those 12 controls. I mean, no doubt about it. And you've seen a fair amount of litigation in that space between clients and cyber insurers because of it. You know, for example, was MFA really turned on? And was MFA turned on for all of the most important applications, or was it just check the box? So when you think about zero trust becomes part of that solution, creating the term hygiene plus. And it's actually able to you can use the tool set, not just to identify risk, mitigate the risk, measure the risk, and then provide signals and telemetry to the underwriters that things are healthy, but you can actually use some of that data to validate the questions that you see in front of you, not just one time, but also in real time.
And Stephen, if I may just add, going back to this, right? I think if we look at concentric circles in terms of like, the layers of defense, right? We look at advanced endpoint protection and having a framework where it is actually symbiotic. So making sure that at the endpoint level, if we're preventing some of these, threats and attacks, and bidirectionally sharing that information with on the policy side to the to the proxy and to the identity management system, et cetera, then you're creating kind of a framework where you've got the first line of defense, but you're also helping with advanced sort of threat hunting on the other side. And so when we look at zero trust, we also look at these sort of concentric layers of a circle of defense in depth, right? Just to add to kind of Stephen's.
Yeah, thank you. I think that's really useful. And I'm sure that our community members find that insight really, really helpful and will probably apply it next time they're filling in a proposal form.